The hidden danger and how to combat it naturally. Chronic inflammation is a silent, ongoing process that can cause severe damage to your body over time. Unlike acute inflammation, a temporary and beneficial immune response to injury or infection, chronic inflammation lingers for months or even years, gradually harming tissues and organs. If left unchecked, it can lead to serious health conditions, including diabetes, obesity, autoimmune disorders, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. The modern lifestyle, characterized by processed foods, high sugar intake, chronic stress, and inactivity, is one of the primary culprits behind this persistent inflammation. However, with informed dietary and lifestyle choices, chronic inflammation can be effectively managed and even reversed. The basics of chronic inflammation. Acute inflammation is your body's natural way of healing. For instance, when you scrape your knee, the redness and swelling signal your body's immune system repairing the damage. Chronic inflammation, however, is a prolonged response that fails to turn off. This constant state of immune activation becomes harmful, causing damage to healthy tissues and increasing the risk of various diseases. Tomatoes are one of the most powerful foods for reducing chronic inflammation. They are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, reduces inflammation, and protects against chronic diseases. Lycopene is particularly beneficial for men, as studies suggest it may reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes enhances lycopene absorption, making dishes like tomato soup and marinara sauce not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. A lack of physical activity, combined with chronic stress, significantly contributes to inflammation. Sedentary behavior leads to weight gain and metabolic imbalances, while stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, when elevated for extended periods, promotes inflammation throughout the body. Anti-inflammatory diets emphasize whole, nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. These foods contain vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that naturally reduce inflammation. For example, spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants, while nuts like almonds and walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids that calm inflammation. Both coffee and green tea are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which reduce inflammation. Green tea contains catechins, compounds known for their strong anti-inflammatory properties, while coffee offers chlorogenic acid, which supports metabolic health and fights oxidative stress. Poor sleep is a major yet often overlooked contributor to chronic inflammation. Insufficient rest disrupts the body's natural repair processes, leading to elevated levels of inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein, CRP. Prioritizing sleep hygiene, by maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment, can significantly reduce inflammation. Processed foods, especially those high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats, are major drivers of inflammation. Regular consumption of these foods leads to weight gain, metabolic syndrome, and other conditions linked to chronic inflammation. Limiting or avoiding these foods is a critical step toward better health. Key insights. Practical steps to reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation often goes unnoticed because it develops slowly and without clear symptoms. Over time, it becomes a contributing factor to serious conditions like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Recognizing the subtle signs, such as unexplained fatigue, joint pain, or digestive issues, is crucial for early intervention. An anti-inflammatory diet focuses on whole, natural foods that provide essential nutrients. Key foods include 2. Diet. The foundation of anti-inflammatory living. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Fruits, berries, oranges, and cherries offer powerful antioxidants. Healthy fats. Fatty fish, like salmon, avocado, and olive oil provide omega-3 fatty acids. Spices. Turmeric and ginger have natural anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods, such as walnuts, flax seeds, and fish, is essential for balancing the body's inflammatory responses. These healthy fats combat the effects of pro-inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids found in many processed foods. How you prepare your food matters. For instance, cooking tomatoes increases the bioavailability of lycopene, while steaming vegetables preserves their nutrients better than boiling. Using healthy oils like olive or avocado oil further boosts the anti-inflammatory properties of your meals. Regular exercise is a natural way to fight inflammation. Activities such as walking, yoga, or resistance training help maintain a healthy weight, improve circulation, and reduce stress, all of which contribute to lower inflammation levels. Quality sleep is vital for your body to repair itself and regulate inflammation. Lack of sleep not only increases cortisol levels but also disrupts the production of cytokines, proteins crucial for immune function. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Managing chronic inflammation requires more than just one change. Combining healthy eating, regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep creates a comprehensive strategy for long-term wellness. Take charge of your health. Chronic inflammation is a major health risk, but it doesn't have to define your future. By making small yet impactful changes, such as eating more anti-inflammatory foods, staying active, and prioritizing rest, you can significantly reduce your inflammation levels and improve your overall health. Remember, prevention is the best medicine, and your daily choices are the key to a healthier, inflammation-free life. Start today, your body will thank you tomorrow.